students who are good at English make some mistakes. So in a way, any sentences that are spoken, that are read, are either in active voice or in the passive voice. So we cannot neglect the topic, though it seems very simple. So I tell you our planning for the this week and the next week. Today our focus is on past tense. We will see simple past tense, we will see continuous past tense, we will see past perfect tense. And it is not me, but you will do the things. And in the next class, we will be able to complete future tense and WH questions in active passive voice. And in the next week, 2 units active passive will be completed. So that means reading skill unit number 1 and active passive voice unit number 2. Both the units will be completed. Then you will have to, by the time of your CIA1 exam. So be ready with the preparation of these 2 units, first 2 units. Okay. So maybe in the next week, active passive will be over. So past tense, friends, today we will discuss and let us see the changes. So the core change is with the verb form. All of you know very well. So only difference in the past tense and the present tense is the difference of the time. Present tense, regular activities going on every day or at present time. So those words that indicate that particular tense are verbs. They are called verbs, and especially we have category of verbs that we should know very well. We have some verbs which don't show any action. For example, we have auxiliary verbs. We call them helping verbs. They do not show any action. For example, we have do, does, doing, did. We have, has, had. We have to be, am, is, are, was, were. These are verbs, but they do not show any action. But then too, they are called verbs, but they are called helping verbs. They are called auxiliary verbs. Then we have other category of verb that show action. So we have drink, we have write, we have walk, we have speak, action, eat. So they are called action verbs. In other words, they are called lexical verbs or main verbs. So in main verbs also we have 3 different forms. Yeah, we have present form of verb. For example, drink, it is present form. It is the original form. It is the base form. It is the V1 form of verb. Then we have second form, that is called V2 form, that is called past tense form. So drink is the V1 and drank is the V2. And we have third category, that is V3, past participle. So we have drunk. So we have drink V1, drank V2, and drunk. 3 of them are different. Same verb, but in 3 different forms: present form, past form, and past participle form. So that means that each and every verb has 3 forms. Some of them are regular and some of them are irregular. So we have drink irregular. Drink is the example of irregular verb. So what is regular verb? Those verbs which are made past and past participle form by adding ed at the end of verb. For example, play, played, played. So play is the regular verb. Because you put ed at the end, it will become past form. Okay, so we must have this knowledge of verb forms. Then it will be very comfortable to change the any sentence from active to passive. So in the present tense, friends, we had auxiliary, which are they? Am, is, are, three to be's, and do and does. To do. Total we have five, and yes, plus we have and has. So three to be's, am, is, are, plus do and does, five, and plus have and has. Total we had seven auxiliary verbs in the present tense. Now in the past tense, how many we have? To be, was, and were. Only two. Do માંથી only did, only three. Total three થઈ ગયા. અને have has માંથી only had. Total four. જો પ્રેઝન્ટ ટેન્સમાં આપણે સાત ઓક્ઝિલરી વર્બ્સનો ઉપયોગ કરતા. I repeat, am, is, are, do, does, have અને has. ટોટલ સાત થયા. પાસ્ટ ટેન્સમાં આપણે કેટલાનો ઉપયોગ કરવાનો છે ઓક્ઝિલરીનો? Was, were, did અને had. ચાર જ. So compared to present tense, past tense is very easy. Okay, so let us discuss. Having you know gone through this verb, let us now moving to the verb form. Okay, okay. Now tell me, what is the active form of verb in the simple past tense? What is the form of the verb used in the simple past tense active voice? I am waiting for your answer in the chat box. Very good, Kishan. Yes, very good. It is we two. Very good, Kishan, Sahil, Nawaz Khan. So only we two, no auxiliary, no other verbs. Only we two. જોઈએ. Example, form a sentence of simple present tense, active voice. અને બધાના મારે રિપ્લાય જોઈએ ઓન ધ ચેટ બોક્સ. બધા પોતાનું એક એક આ ટેન્સમાં સેન્ટેન્સ બનાવશે. I played cricket. Very good. Other students. Hello. Apart from Kishan, I read the book. Tirth, very good. I wrote a letter. Very good. Nirali. I read the book. Sahil. Very good. I sing a song. Sing નું past form શું થાય તીર્થ? Sing. I saw a book. Very good. Sung. Very good. Kishan. Sung થાય. શું થાય? Sing ના કયા થાય? હા, સાહિલ. Sing, sang, sung. હા. Very good. So sang song. Very good. I sang song. Very good. I made food. A food. Food જે છે food. રાધિકા વેરી ગુડ. ફૂડની આગળ આર્ટિકલ આવશે. ફૂડ છે એ કાઉન્ટેબલ નાઉન છે. ફૂડને આપણે ગણી શકીએ. એક ફૂડ, બે ફૂડ, ત્રણ ફૂડ. ફૂડ થોડું છે. અ ફૂડ. ફૂડ છે ફૂડ that is uncountable noun. સુગર, વોટર અને ફૂડ એની આગળ આર્ટિકલ નહીં આવે તો શું આવશે? I made food. Rather I cooked food. હા, very good. આર્ટિકલ નહીં આવે, અનકાઉન્ટેબલ ના. વેરી ગુડ. ધોઝ હુ ટ્રાય મેક મિસ્ટેક્સ અપ્રિશિએટ. નો પ્રોબ્લેમ. Okay. So if I write this, is it okay? Okay. Hello. Okay, આપણે બાઈક રાખીએ. Okay. So ride, rode. I rode bike. Ride, no, past tense, rode. So only V2 is used in the sentence. Observe it. Only V2. ચાલો પેસિવમાં શું થશે? ફોર્મ ઓફ ધી વર્બ ઇન ધી સિમ્પલ પાસ્ટ ટેન્સ. ટુ બી પ્લસ V3. કિશન ડીડ નહીં આવે. ડુ ડઝ ડીડ છે એ આપણે પેસિવમાં નથી ઉપયોગ કરતા. પેસિવમાં આવશે ટુ બી એન્ડ they are was and were. V3. Yeah. Do and does and did are helping verbs. એ ક્યારે વપરાય? સેન્ટેન્સમાં જ્યારે ઓક્ઝિલરી વર્બ ન હોય ત્યારે. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ અહીંયા ઓક્ઝિલરી નથી, તો આને આપણે નેગેટિવ બનાવશું, પ્રશ્નાર્થ બનાવશું, ઇન્ટ્રોગેટિવ, તો આપણે હેલ્પિંગ વર્બની જરૂર પડશે અને એ હેલ્પિંગ વર્બ શું રહેશે? ડુ, ડઝ અથવા તો ડીડ. અહીંયા એક્ઝામ્પલ વોઝ વર પ્લસ V3. વેરી ગુડ નવાઝ ખાન. સો એક્ઝામ્પલ passive voice simple past tense. Example, bike was ridden by me. Very good. Very good. Other examples, a letter was written by me. Very good, Nirali. To be plus V3. Bike was ridden by me. Very good. Cricket was played by me. Very good. Book was bought by me. Very good. Yeah. Any other examples? Okay. So a book was આપણે રિટર્ન રાખીએ. Written by me. Our focus is only on verb form. So was to be plus V3. This is the verb form. Now we have other category. So negative, other type of the sentence. What would be the negative of this sentence? I rode bike. No. Negative is simple past tense. The road is V2. That indicates it is simple past tense. To be is not used with this. So very good. I did past tense helping verb. Once did is used in the sentence, then the V2 will become in its original form, base form, with one, that is right. So the form here is did, here it will be not, since it is negative. I did not write. Did is not, did is helping verb and ride is a main verb. Not is not the verb. So I did not ride bike. Okay, I will try. Now it is fine, I think. And the question is that auxiliary did will be put at the beginning. First letter is always capital. I always remains in capital. We don't want this not. So did I ride a bike? Don't forget question mark. We have these three different types. Which tense? Simple past tense and active voice. Same way in the passive voice. A book was written by me. So here in this sentence we have auxiliary given. We have was, it is already given, so we have to put not here after the first auxiliary. So the book was not. And in case of question, what we will do is this auxiliary will be brought here at the beginning. Was a is somewhere in the sentence middle article, it will become small and question mark. Was a book written by me. Very good. A book was not. So we get these three different types. So was V3, was not V3, was at the beginning and V3, wrote V2, did plus V1, and did at the beginning and V1. All are these are the major changes in the active and passive voice. Clear? Moving to the continuous tense. What is the form of the continuous verb form in active voice? Continuous past tense. Was verb. V4. We have only V1, V2, and V3. It is called ing form. Very good. But for your understanding, you can call it V4 fine. Good, good answer. So 2B plus ing. Okay, very good. Chalo. Example past tense, simple, sorry, continuous past tense, active voice. Example, I was playing cricket, very good. Only Kishan is attending class, only he is active, other are passive. I was writing a letter, very good, Nirali. Other students, please. This is last time in your life, I tell you. છેલ્લી વાર આ તમે એક્ટિવ અને પેસિવ શીખવા જઈ રહ્યા છો. In the future, then you will have no opportunity. બરાબર? Very good. Let us take very simple example. I was watching a film. Okay? To be plus ing. This is the verb form. To be plus ing. I was watching a movie. Was past tense, watching progressive. So it is past progressive, means past continuous tense. I was driving a car. Umang, Thieves, very good. Nawaz Khan, Nirali, Kishan, good. You are active people. Now moving to the passive voice. What would be the form? Passive voice, progressive tense, progressive past tense. To be plus being plus V3. Very good. If it is present tense, then the to be of present tense. If it is past tense, then the to be of past tense. And progressive being, બટ આ તો એક્ટિવમાં નથી પેસિવમાં છે તો આઈએનજી વાળું વર્બ તો આવશે નહીં તો અહીંયા શું આવશે P3 આ પ્રોગ્રેસિવ છે તો એટલા માટે આપણે બી ને આઈએનજી લગાડી દીધું બી સહાયકારક હેલ્પિંગ વર્બ લઈ લીધું અને આઈએનજી લગાડી દીધું સો in order to make it progressive. So passive, progressive, ing and to be was were means past tense. Chalo sentence. Now try to make a sentence of this passive voice. Cricket was being played by me. Very good. A film was being watched by me. Very good. Excellent. Other people. I was being trapped. Very good. Umang, good example. Yeah, a letter was being written by me. Very good. Nirali, a film was being watched by me. Very good. Nawaz Khan, Ria, basketball was being played by us. Very good. Ria, Nawaz Khan, very good. Nirali, Umang, Kishan, good. Anybody left? Good. ઓકે ચેસ લઈ લઈએ બરાબર કોઈ પણ રમતનું નામ હોય તેની આગળ આર્ટિકલ ના આવે વેરી ગુડ ચેસ ક્રિકેટનું બાસ્કેટબોલનું ચેસ કરી નાખીએ વોઝ બિંગ પ્લેડ બાય us. So to be was being plus V3. I give up. This is the very good. So to be being plus V3 means continuous past tense passive voice. તો બંનેમાં આપણને કન્ટિન્યુઅસમાં સહાયકારક ટુ બી આપણને મળી જાય છે બરાબર એટલે નેગેટિવમાં આપણે ખાલી અહીંયા નોટ મૂકી દેવાનું રહેશે ઇમિડિયેટલી આફ્ટર ધી ઓક્ઝિલરી વર્બ વોઝ પછી સીધું આપણે નોટ આઈ વોઝ નોટ વોચિંગ અ મૂવી એ જ ઓક્ઝિલરી આગળ લઈ લો સેન્ટેન્સમાં તો શું બની જશે ક્વેશ્ચન માર્ક ફર્સ્ટ લેટર ઓલવેઝ કેપિટલ વોઝ આઈ તો હંમેશા કેપિટલ જ હોય વોઝ આઈ વોચિંગ અ ફિલ્મ ક્વેશ્ચન માર્ક same way chess was being played by us was already સહાયકારક આપેલું છે ત્રણ વર્ડ છે was being અને played આ ત્રણ વર્ડ ભેગા થઈને એક વર્બ ફ્રેઝ બનાવે છે એ છે કન્ટિન્યુઅસ પાસ્ટ ટેન્સ પેસિવ વોઇસ તો પેલું જે હોય વર્ડ વર્બ ફ્રેઝમાં એના પછી શું આવશે નોટ બિંગ પછી નોટ ક્યારેય આવશે નહીં આઈ વોઝ નોટ બિંગ ઓકે અને એ જ રીતે ઇન્ટ્રોગેટિવમાં પેલું જ જે છે વર્બ એ આગળ આવી જશે બાકીનું બધું સેમ રહેશે બરાબર વોઝ ચેસમાં કેપિટલ નહીં રહી since it is specific then you can put it played by us very good so simple past tense and continuous past tense very simple activity you are already familiar with this moving to the now another tense perfect past tense perfect past tense what is the form of the verb in active voice had plus v3 so had in present tense we had for singular has and for plural have અહીંયા તો સિંગ્યુલર પ્લુરલ બંને માટે ખાલી હેડ પ્લસ V3. Example, I had played cricket very good. Had plus V3. બધા સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ બધાના આવવા જોઈએ જવાબ રિપ્લાય ઓન ધ ચેટ બોક્સ. I had Nirali wrote is V2, write, wrote, written. V3 will be used. Wrote is V2. I had written a book. Yes. Written is the V3, so we want V3. In the perfect past tense, V3 is used, not V2. Perfect V3. I had written a letter. It's very good. Ria, we had made a project. Very good. I had written a book. Nawaz Khan, ready. Good. I had my money in wallet. હમ. અહીંયા હેડ જે છે એ પોઝિટિવ તરીકે ઉપયોગ થાય છે. બરાબર. મારી પાસે મની હતી એમ. I had my money in the wallet. એ સેન્ટેન્સમાં કોઈ એક્શન વર્બ તો છે જ નહીં. Very good, Umang. You tried. Appreciate. We had made a cake. Very good. Very good. So we had visited. Okay. Okay. શોર્ટ નામ રાખીએ અત્યારે આપણે સમજવા માટે. Last week. Okay, we had visited Delhi last week, for example, week. So had plus visited V3. Okay. Now, good. In the passive voice, perfect present tense. In the passive voice, what is the form of the perfect past tense? Had plus been plus V3. Okay. Had plus V3 તો ઓલરેડી અહીંયા આપેલું જ છે, તો અહીંયા આપણે બી ની હેલ્પ અગેન લેવી પડશે. પણ અહીંયા પરફેક્ટ છે, જો કન્ટિન્યુ હોય તો બી ને આઈએનજી લગાડી અને બીંગ કરી નાખીએ, પણ અહીંયા પરફેક્ટ છે એટલા માટે બી ને આપણે શું કરવું પડશે? પરફેક્ટ ત્રીજું રૂપ, બી નું ત્રીજું રૂપ બીન નો ઉપયોગ કરવો પડશે. એટલા માટે હેડ પ્લસ બીન પ્લસ V3. This will be used. Example, Delhi had been visited by us. Very good. Cricket had been played by me. Very good. So these are the two examples of passive tense. Oh, sorry, passive voice and perfect past tense. તો હેડ છે indicate past tense, been indicates perfect, and V3 indicates passive. So it is passive perfect past tense. चलो all the students example. Project had been made by us. Very good. Letter had been written by me. Very good. Very good. फिर रखिए lesson had been sent by me. Very good. So had plus been plus V3. Nawaz Khan, very good. A book had been written by me. Good. ઓકે સો નેગેટિવ અહીંયા ઓલરેડી આપણે પાસે છે શું સહાયકારક હેલ્પિંગ વર્બ હેડ તો એના પછી જ આપણે શું નોટ મૂકવાનું રહેશે હેડ નોટ વિઝિટેડ ઓર હેડ છે શું કરવાનું આગળ લઈ લેવાનું ફર્સ્ટ લેટર કેપિટલ એચ વિલ બી કેપિટલ હેડ વી ડબલ્યુ વિલ બી સ્મોલ વિઝિટેડ પેલી છે પ્રોપર નાઉન છે એટલે એનો પહેલો લેટર કેપિટલ રહેશે એજ્યુકેશન ઓકે so had visited had not visited had at the beginning and v3 same way in the negative had તો already આપેલું જ છે a lesson had આપેલું જ છે જો અહીંયા ત્રણ વર્ડ છે had been plus learned been પછી not નહીં આવે had પછી not આવશે had not been learned by me same way had છે સહાયકારક ક્રિયાપદ આપણે આગળ લઈ લેવાનું છે helping verb had at the beginning h first capital a small article મિડલમાં આવે છે ક્યાંક સેન્ટેન્સમાં તો એ સ્મોલ થઈ જશે એન્ડ ક્વેશ્ચન માર્ક had a lesson been learned by me ઓકે ફેરફાર શું થાય છે હેડ છે બિગિનિંગમાં આવી જાય છે અને એચ છે કેપિટલ થઈ જાય છે અને એ છે બાકીનું બધું સેમ રહે છે છેલ્લે ક્વેશ્ચન માર્ક અને અ છે એ પાછું સ્મોલ થઈ જાય છે આર્ટિકલ ખાસ ધ્યાન રાખવાનું છે ગુડ સો પાસ સિમ્પલ પાસ કન્ટિન્યુઅસ પરફેક્ટ પાસ્ટ એન્ડ પાસ પરફેક્ટ કન્ટિન્યુઅસ ટેન્સ જોઈ લઈએ આપણે so I think I hope that simple past tense continuous past tense and perfect tense clear એક્સરસાઇઝ ને જે બધું આપેલું છે આપણે ગૂગલ ક્લાસરૂમમાં એ તમારે બધું નોટબુકમાં પ્રેક્ટિસ કરવાનું છે બરાબર એ બધા સેન્ટેન્સીસ આપ્યા છે તો એને અલગ અલગ ટેન્સમાં અલગ અલગ ટાઈપમાં એને કન્વર્ટ કરજો અને એને એક્ટિવમાંથી પેસિવ અને પાછું વળી પેસિવમાંથી એક્ટિવ બનાવવાનું ટ્રાય કરજો બરાબર લાસ્ટ વીકમાં આપણે સોરી નેક્સ્ટ વીકમાં આવતા વીકમાં આપણે એ એડવાન્સ લેવલનું આપણે કરશું ઓકે તો અહીંયા ફોર્મ શું આવશે એક્ટિવ વોઇસ પાસ પરફેક્ટ કન્ટિન્યુઅસ ટેન્સ વર્બ ફોર્મ વોટ વુડ બી હિયર પ્લીઝ ગૂગલ ક્લાસરૂમમાં બધી જે શીટ મૂકેલી છે એનો અભ્યાસ કરતા રહેજો સ્ટડી ધેમ ઇફ યુ હેવ ડાઉટ યુ કેન આસ્ક ચાલો પાસ પરફેક્ટ કન્ટિન્યુઅસ ટેન્સમાં એક્ટિવ વોઇસ વર્બ ફોર્મ હેડ બીન પ્લસ આઈએનજી ઓકે હેડ એટલે કે પાસ્ટ ટેન્સ પ્લસ બીન એટલે કે પરફેક્ટ ટેન્સ અને પ્લસ આઈએનજી એટલે કે પ્રોગ્રેસિવ ટેન્સ આવી ગયું પાસ્ટ પરફેક્ટ કન્ટિન્યુઅસ પ્રોગ્રેસિવ ટેન્સ ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ શું આવશે he had been try he had been discussing a topic till late night okay so had plus been plus v3 this is the verb form what is the I had been playing cricket for an hour very good પેસિવ શું થશે આનું પેસિવ no passive okay no not possible okay passive is not possible તો આનું અહીં આપણે આને નેગેટિવ કન્વર્ટ કરી લઈએ. હેડ આપેલું જ છે, નોટ મૂકી દેવાનું, બીન ડિસ્કસિંગ ટોપિક લેટ નાઇટ, એ જ રીતે પ્રશ્નાર્થ થઈ જાય. હેડ જે છે સહાયકારક આગળ લઈ લેવાનું, એચ ટી કેપિટલ થઈ જશે, ઈ છે સ્મોલ થઈ જશે, અહીંયા ક્વેશ્ચન માર્ક. Fine. So here we end discussing active passive voice in the past tense. Thank you all. You replied very well, and you are very good. Your reply. Okay, now you can type your roll number in the chat box and can leave the meeting. Have a nice day.